How amazing would it be if you had a trauma grounding kit that you could deliver to any of your clients who presented with any kind of trauma, whether it was acute, chronic, or complex trauma? How amazing would it be if you could actually sit and be emotion focused with those clients who are finding the strength to share the story of their trauma with you? Well, I'm delighted to announce that I will be joining the National Guild of Hypnotists at their convention this August in Massachusetts, and I will be delivering a presentation which is called Creating a Trauma Grounding Kit for Your Clients from an emotion and soma-focused perspective. So you can expect that this is going to be really hands-on training that's going to deliver skills that you can instantly apply to your hypnotherapy practice. So do come and join me. And also, now that you know what I look like, please come up and say hello. I will be at the presentation for the full 3 days, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know you. Bye for now.